secret sauce today is how to properly use a flash cure unit. Every screen printer who prints on color garments needs a flash cure unit by their press, but not everybody knows how exactly to use that flash unit. So the unit is commonly simply called a flash. It's basically a heating element on a stand, and it's used to gel an underbase print so the subsequent ink colors printed on top will be nice and bright. We print a white underbase, flash, and then we print the colors wet on wet. First, you can buy one of those bells and whistles machines, bells and whistles flash units that has it moves on and off the platen by pressing a foot pedal, has temperature controls, has air blowers, so on. If you haven't bought a flash yet, go with the other end of the spectrum and get the one that has nothing but an on and off switch. That's all you need. The basic flash that with the on and off switch like that gets to about 500 degrees when you turn it on. Another error I see in many shops is the distance of the heating element from the shirt on the platen. If it's too far away, you'll add to the ink gel time substantially. Flash units are open on all four sides and the heat rises. So the further away you are, the more heat you're losing. So for best results, the heating element should be about 3/4 of an inch above the shirt platen. Flashing an underbase should take about 15 seconds. Touch the garment and see if any white ink comes off on your finger. Then if nothing comes off on your finger, then you know that you have a proper flash. Properly gelled ink should be dried to the touch, but not cured. Curing will occur after about 30 to 45 seconds under the heating element. If the underbase ink cures, the colors printed on top will disappear during the first wash. It'll just come right off. When the ink is gelled, it permanently bonds together with the colors on top in your conveyor dryer. So a flash cure unit is a necessary tool in a screen printing shop. Use it properly. And that's my secret sauce for today.